Welcome to the cutting edge. For years, Sony has been the quiet contender in the smartphone arena, but what if they were just preparing for their moment? Rumor has it, that moment is now. Leaks have surfaced for the Sony Xperia Pro Max 5G, a phone that could redefine the flagship market by packing top-tier specs into a package that costs half as much as its rivals. Forget the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, this is the phone everyone will be talking about. Let's break down the beast that could shake up the industry. So let's start. Features of the Sony Xperia Pro Max 2025. A cinematic display. The first thing you'll notice is the screen, and Sony is pulling out all the stops. The Xperia Pro Max is rumored to feature a massive 6.76-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It's not just big, it's a visual powerhouse. With a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and gaming are fluid, while HDR10 Plus support ensures every video you watch is vibrant and rich with detail. For the most demanding mobile gamers, the blazing fast 360Hz touch sampling rate provides an instant, competitive edge. And for added peace of mind, it's built to last with an IP68 water resistance rating. Professional-grade optics. Sony is a name synonymous with cameras, and the Xperia Pro Max leak suggests they're living up to that legacy. The rear camera system is rumored to be a triple sensor setup, led by a massive 100-megapixel ultra-wide primary lens. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about capturing a scene with incredible breadth and detail. Paired with it is an 48-megapixel telephoto sensor, and a 8-megapixel macro sensor, that offers 5x optical zoom. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures your selfies are always crisp, and social media ready. Unleashing raw power. Under the hood, the Xperia Pro Max is a true performance monster. It's expected to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chipset, with Adreno 750 graphics. This combination means you can breeze through any app, multitask effortlessly. And for the ultimate modern user experience, the phone is said to ship with the latest Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery backup. No matter how powerful a phone is, it's useless without a battery that can keep up. Fortunately, the Xperia Pro Max 5G is rumored to house a massive 5900 mAh battery, giving you the stamina to go from morning till night. When you do need to refuel, the incredibly fast 90-watt charging can get you back in the game in a fraction of the time. Price and launch date. Now for the detail that makes this leak a game changer. The rumored price. An unbelievable $699 in the US. While a launch date remains unconfirmed, one thing is clear, if these leaks are true, Sony is ready to re-enter the spotlight in a big way.